When you watch YouTube on your TV, you'll find features that give you a smooth and intuitive viewing experience. Essential controls are always at your fingertips, so you can spend less time searching and more time enjoying your content. Let's dive in. YouTube on your TV features dynamic layouts that adapt to the content you're watching. Whether it's a music video, a live sports broadcast, or a show from your favorite creator, the controls and information are thoughtfully placed to suit the content you're watching. Open a video in the YouTube app on your smart TV. The play and pause button appears whenever you touch the controls with your remote, letting you instantly pause or resume a video. To the left, you'll find a description button that brings up video metadata, comments, and creator details. Next to it, you'll find a subscribe button, making it easy to keep up with your favorite channels and creators. To the right of the pause button, you have a quick access to key interactions, such as the like and dislike buttons, comments, and save button. And of course, you can always turn on captions to show subtitles for your video. If you're watching music content, the YouTube Watch page on your smart TV includes specific features for skipping to the next or previous track. To learn more about the Watch player on the YouTube app, check out the links in the description. Thanks for watching.